This is the Craftsman 2 horsepower, 2-gallon portable vacuum system. Now, it runs off of the same battery packs, the V20 series. Now, it is a wet-dry vacuum. It also has a ton of really cool hidden features in here. So, it has an exhaust port over here that you're seeing. It has a front intake port. It's 2 gallons of capacity. It is filtered, which is awesome if you're in an enclosed area. Now, you can see I've got some sawdust in my filter right there already because I was using it earlier in the show to get things cleaned up. But the whole thing, you know, comes down super compact here. I'm going to go from the front so you guys can see this. You can get the entire 7-foot hose that it comes with and attach it right to the top. You take the attachment off the front and the whole thing fits here. Now, and you can use it without any tools, and you can suck up all the sawdust that we just made and right out of the laptop keys very quickly. Now, if you want to use the tools, you just go ahead and plug them in. And you can cover a wider area, so you see just like that, sucking up all the sawdust. There we go. Now I'm going to come over here, do the same exact thing. Hopefully my audio is still good, but I'm getting all that sawdust up and cleaning off our workspace. Now, if this was a wet mess and we needed to do any sort of wet cleanup, maybe I spilled something, this is going to be the perfect size for my wife for the car. If you need to do that, remove the filter out of here. Super easy. You open this up. There's the filter on the bottom. Go ahead and turn this knob, and you can remove this filter because you don't want this filter to get wet. So you go ahead and slide that filter out. This filter is replaceable and cleanable. As you see here, I'm just knocking some of the sawdust out of it. All of the sawdust that it collected already today. So this thing is definitely good at it. Plenty of suction. It does have a gasketed edge all the way around. That's part of why it has such good suction. I'm going to go ahead and slide this back in so the filter is locked and screwed in. I'm going to put this back down, and we're going to be able to use it again. Now, it does have one other cool trick in the handle. If you need to get into maybe some laptop keyboards, into small crevices, it has a crevice tool hidden inside the handle, and I can use that to get under things, around things, and this does give it more suction, so I was really happy with this one, and I've used this a ton. Being a wet dry, like I said, on my boat, I actually use this to get the bilges clean, so there's always a little bit of rainwater or other stuff that goes in the bottom of the bilge. I was able to use this to actually suck up the rainwater, pour that water overboard, and then put the filter back in and use this for other cleanups. So very easy.